In this video, I will teach you how to use OpenAI ChatGPT API. Once you see this interface, you want to scroll down and choose ChatGPT. After that, you'll proceed to ChatGPT and just click it. If you don't have an account, sign up and fill up a few pieces of information and you're good to go. Once you have an account, you will enter this ChatGPT interface. You can now start asking some questions like, what is ChatGPT? Wait for a few seconds and your question will be answered. Let's try another one. Tell me about artificial intelligence. What I like about this, you can ask a lot of questions just like you're talking to a person. That's it. I hope this video helped you out.